Hey guys, so I have some life changes coming up that I wanted to share. First and foremost, yesterday I didn't get to put out a video because I was snowboarding mostly, and then when I got home, it was kind of late, and when we got into it, we just had a huge brainstorming session, and that goes into my second point. So on screen you can see here that we are doing something different because I felt like my skills wasn't really ready for the slime game. I feel like we were a bit too ambitious for 2 devs and a learning process, so we took a step back and we decided to brainstorm something new and do something a little bit more aligned with my abilities, and that's how we came with the chess game. Third and final, starting today actually, I will be going back to school. Most of my time, if not all of it, will be studying and trying to get that done. I really want to focus on that, and I will put as much time as I can into this. That does mean the videos will be slowing down, so less daily, more weekly probably, and the progress as well. But yeah, till next time.